Hello everyone and welcome. In this demo, we will learn how to set up honor rolls in openSIS. Before we begin, let us first understand what an honor roll is. An honor roll is used to recognize students who have demonstrated outstanding academic performance. Based on criteria defined by the institution, such as grades or GPA, students who meet the required academic standards are recognized under a specific honor roll category for a marking period or academic year. Now, let us see how to configure honor rolls in openSIS. From the side navigation menu, navigate to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Grades and click on Honor Roll. This opens the honor roll configuration page. Here, we can view all the honor roll categories created by the school, along with their corresponding breakoff values. For example, students scoring 60% or above qualify for the Bronze Honor Roll. Students scoring 70% or above qualify for the Silver Honor Roll. Students scoring 80% or above qualify for the Gold Honor Roll. Students scoring 90% or above qualify for the Platinum Honor Roll. Schools can customize these honor roll categories and breakoff values based on their own academic recognition policies. Now, let us create a new honor roll. Click on Add New Honor Roll. This opens the Add New Honor Roll window. The first field is Honor Roll. Here, enter the name of the academic recognition category you want to create, such as Bronze, Silver, Gold, or Platinum. Schools may also define custom honor roll names according to their recognition system. Next is the Breakoff field. The breakoff represents the minimum score, or percentage, a student must achieve to qualify for a particular honor roll category. Enter the minimum qualifying score, or percentage, required for students to receive that honor roll. For this demonstration, let us create a Platinum Honor Roll with a breakoff value of 90. This means that any student scoring 90% or above will qualify for the Platinum Honor Roll. After entering the required information, click Submit. Once the form is submitted successfully, the newly created honor roll appears in the list and becomes available for recognizing students who meet the defined academic criteria. Administrators can create multiple honor roll categories to represent different levels of academic achievement within the institution. This completes the process of setting up honor rolls in openSIS. Thank you for watching.